Alright, so the blower fan in my car gave out. And let's see what's going on, because it still turns on, but it sounds like it detached from the motor. Let's get this apart. Yeah. It usually has something to button it up, but it's from the 90s, so it's not available. And it should be this one right here. Oh, it should be this one. Should be 3 screws holding it. Let's see where the other one is. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. Maybe I should disconnect the cable before. If it's possible. Holy crap. Alright, never mind. I'm just gonna pull it out like that. I wonder if it broke. There's a lot of junk in it. Ugh. Look at that. Oh yeah, that thing snapped off. Well, that's unfortunate. Let's see if we can disconnect it and get a new one, eh? Alright, to disconnect this bad boy, you just pinch here. I think. Let's see if I can get my tripod. Hold on. Alright, now I got 2 hands. Everyone's always complaining about recording with one hand. My knuckle. There you go. Just squeeze onto this, and then I just wiggled and pulled. So I got this one at the local pickup part here in my town for a few couple bucks. Yeah, just make sure the sensor is towards the right where the cable is, and then you just backtrack, put it back in there. I'm just gonna test it to make sure it works before I leave. Now that I'm here, just in case. There wasn't very many, but there was another one. Just was checking to see which one looked newer. But good thing they marked it, just in case. I need to bring it back. Gotta make sure the cables are out of the way. There we go. It lines up back to where it goes. So let's start them all. This is just plastic. It's screwed into plastic, so you don't gotta wear tighten these just until they get snug. Okay, just enough so it doesn't shake or anything. Go ahead and reconnect. We can test.